I've been thinking about repricing a lot lately. You guys know that I'm switching my repricing. I have this whole video series where I actually talk about my switch and how it's going. And as I said, I've been thinking a lot about it. And I think that there's something that no repricing company is doing right now. And in my opinion, this is really the way it should go with repricing company. There's just no other way. It's actually dumb that it does not work like this. And this is what I'm going to talk about in today's video. If you are seeing this video right now on the day it released, yes, you notice that my setup is different because I'm in Vegas right now. I'm at ASD, and I saw a few guys already that said hi, that and that, and I saw some people actually looking. It was actually a little bit weird, but like if you're here and you see me, come say hi. It's a pleasure to see you guys. It's really really a pleasure to see you guys. So yeah, come say hi and all that stuff. All right. So when it comes to repricing, and once again, I haven't tried SellerSnap yet. I don't know if they are doing, and I'm going to move to SellerSnap to try in 2 to 3 months. Okay. And I have some videos where I explain a little bit about the switch, and so there are some stuff that is shot already, but that I haven't released, and I think it's really important that I release this video today. So I think that there's a big blind spot when it comes to AI and repricing, and it is actually the way it should work, in my opinion. So, you know that one of the most important metric that we have in our business, because we run an inventory business, one of the most important metric that we have is our sell-through rate. Okay, the average time that an item spends in our inventory, and so the truth is that the AI, like with our repricer, the only thing that we do, so without the AI, the only thing that we really do is set minimum price, maximum price, and set rules. But with the AI, every single AI is going to work differently. And so I've been thinking a lot about it, and I don't think that anybody has done it correctly yet. And here's why. Because at the end of the day, as I said, the only thing that really matters to us is our sell-through rate. And if we have an AI that is actually looking at this, it should actually optimize for a specific sell-through rate, and not Bqool nor Aura is actually doing this. Because if we are being honest, since it's one of the most important things that we can work with, we should actually have a say, and we should actually have the option to tell the AI, hey, look, I want my whatever. Here's for this specific ASIN, this specific rule, my goal, or just with this specific ASIN, if you not go broad, but like what would actually make a lot of sense is that we would be able to tell the AI, to tell the repricer that, hey, look, I bought that much stock for that specific SKU, for that ASIN. This is how I was thinking about it. I was thinking that, so my thought process was that I want to sell the whole stock for that SKU, for that SKU in 30 days. So my goal was to buy 30 days of inventory. No, I want you to optimize because my cash flow cycle is 30 days. So I need you to optimize to make sure that my cash flow cycle is 30 days. And so if we notice that on the listing there's a ton of new offers, that there's some stuff that comes, and the return on investment is different, like it's going to change, doesn't matter. I have 30 days cash flow cycle, and so I need to cycle my inventory every 30 days. And then the AI is going to take decision based on that. And in my opinion, this is really how it should work. And it should not be the only thing, right? It should not be the only thing. And you should be able to work with it to see how you want to go. But like really, if we have an AI, this is really how it should work in my opinion. Because yes, of course, we still need a minimum price. We still need a maximum price. But the sell-through rate is the thing that is really really important, and we should have a say regarding this. Okay, we should have a say. Like we should be able to set multiple rules based on sell-through rate. And I guess that in some way, this is what Bqool is trying to do with the multiple AI rules that they have, but we do not have enough information. And we should be able to say, okay, we have this rule. With this rule, our sell-through rate like should be like this rule is if we want to sell, if we have cash flow cycle of 30 days, we want to sell our whole inventory in 30 days. And like this is a big blind spot, and this is why AI repricing is not good enough just yet. And so whenever, and even if it is not working like this 100%, we should at least get notifications. Like we should at least get notifications whenever, when we set our cash flow cycle, for example, for 30 days. If the AI is not going to make a decision for ourselves, or if the minimum price, if the AI think that the minimum price is too high for us to be able to reach that goal with a specific ASIN, we should receive notification to see if we want to change our strategy, if we want to wait, if we want to hold a little bit, or if we want to reduce our minimum price. In my opinion, this is really the way that it should go, and this is the way that this is really the way that it should go, because this is one of the big blind spots, and I don't understand how no repricer, as far as I know at least, has thought about that. This is what makes sense. This makes a ton of sense, and this is the way it should go with AI repricing, okay? Because right now, it's pretty much like we shoot in the dark. We just set up our AI repricer, and we have no idea how it's going to optimize, how it's going to work with our sell-through rate. And once again, I don't know if it's the case with SellerSnap, but like with Bqool and with Aura, this is the way it goes. There's like, it's like, why don't you guys think about it? Why isn't it? Why sell-through rate isn't one of the metrics? Like desired sell-through rate is not one of the metric that we actually have, have a say on. You know, I don't get it. It should be. It should 100% be one of the metrics that we can actually work with. And the day we can actually do this, whether it is with Bqool or with Aura, is going to be like, it needs to come. It 100% needs to come. This is what makes the most sense with AI repricer, in my opinion. This is how it should work. No other way. Because right now we just set up and because I'm telling you guys, because yes, Bqool way too fast. Okay, Bqool is going to tank your price because the AI is going to freak out if you set your minimum price too low. Okay. It's going to happen. Bqool is not a bad repricer, but you need to be tight with your minimum price if you do online arbitrage, because like whenever it sees a small increase in seller, the AI is going to freak out. With Aura, it's the opposite. You're going to get a ton of sales above the buy box, but it's going to slow your sales, from what I've seen. And it's just because you cannot set your expectation for the AI. You cannot set your expectation in terms of how fast you want your inventory to sell. You can't. And if you were actually able to do this, it would be another story. Okay, it would be another story, and it would be a way less frustrating process. From what I've seen with SellerSnap, you can actually change your repricer rules based on how many sales you've had in whatever time frame you set. From what I've seen, I'm not sure if you can actually do this with Bqool, but like we should have an AI that will allow us to actually set a specific sell-through rate, set an inventory turnover rate, and take decisions from there. And even if it does not take decision, at least send you notifications to tell you, hey, with your minimum price, with your strategy right now, and with the amount of stock that you have, it's not going to work. We expect that you're going to be able to sell, based from what the AI has been learning, we expect that you should be able to sell this in around that much time. And so you probably need to change your minimum price, or I'm going to change your minimum price. We are changing your minimum price to this. And so based on that, you can give you should be able to give some permission to the repricer to change your price, change the aggressivity at which it's going to, and give some permission to that, give some leeways, or just have the opportunity to receive notification and to actually work on that from there, because like nothing makes sense. Like this is really the way repricing should go. Let me know what you think in the comment about that. Yeah, this is something that I've been thinking a lot lately. Repricing companies need to do better. Okay, we deserve a better product, 100%, and I think this is the way. If you think that there's another way, or if there's anything that would not work with the stuff, we need to have this conversation. If there's anything that would not work with the way that I see things, let me know, and we can talk about it and come up with stuff. But like, we really need those repricing companies to do better in that term, so we stop shooting in the dark and we have total control of not total control, but like we have control over how the AI is going to react over some stuff and what the AI is actually going to optimize for. All right? So hopefully this video was helpful. If it was, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow for a new video. Thank you for watching, and come say hi if you see me at ASD. It's a pleasure once again. All right, see you guys later.